Good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Chemistry King. Today, Dr. S.K. Sinha is before you and esterification is before you. Okay? So, you will see here, it is carboxylic acid and it is alcohol. When they are allowed to react together in presence of acid, ester is formed. Okay? Here, OH group of carboxylic acid combines with hydrogen atom of alcohol leading to water. Now, let us see its mechanism. First of all, you are looking here lone paraphylacton at oxygen and so H plus gets attached with this oxygen leading to this. When H plus is attached with this oxygen, this pi bond will break here. On addition of H plus, oxygen acquires positive charge and due to this positive charge, this pi bond breaks in this fashion, leading to positive charge on this carbon. This is species. Now it is alcohol. Of course, it will act as nucleophile. This lone paraphylacton will not attack at this carbon, leading to this. As this lone paraphylacton is donated to this carbon, positive charge will be here and due to positive charge on oxygen atom, hydrogen will be released here and this H plus again gets attached with this OH group leading to this oxonium ion. Due to this positive charge, it will be unstable and so this sigma bond will break in this fashion leading to this carbocation. Now, this bond will shift in this fashion leading to carbon oxygen double bond and liberating H plus. So, it is ester. This whole was about mechanism of esterification. Okay. Now, here we will see some technical issue. Question 1. Is 2,4,6 trimethyl benzoic acid susceptible to esterification? This is, friends, when 2,4,6 trimethyl benzoic acid comes in contact with acid. Of course, you know, when carboxylic acid reacts with ethyl alcohol in presence of sulfuric acid, strong acid, then ester is formed. Okay? So, when H plus comes in contact with carboxylic acid, you will get such species. Now, of course, it is sp2 hybridized, it is carbocation. And first of all, it is in the plane of this benzene. This carbon is in plane of benzene. This carbon and OH. Okay. Now, due to these two methyl groups, two orthomethyl groups, of course, these two methyl groups are bulky, and due to steric hindrance, this COH, this plane shifts, this bond rotate and comes perpendicular to this benzene ring. Now, you will think from which side nucleophile will attack at this carbon, either from this side or from this side. Because this system, this unit is perpendicular to this benzene plane. So, non-nucleophile suppose comes from this side, then here methyl group will disturb that nucleophile to approach to this carbon. So, such esterification becomes difficult, or you can say such esterification is not possible. These are all those facts that I discussed. Okay. Now, question second is tertiary alcohol able to esterification? Answer is no. Reason is steric hindrance, as discussed before. Okay. Friends, hope you will like this video. If so, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Thank you very much.